We have added some new amazing styles to the Muse Pro 3 plugin. Sometimes, with some specific studio photos, we need more control over the final result. While our features are already amazing, we felt the urge to add some studio-specific features. In the Main tab, you can choose from the new studio: Studio 1, Studio 2, and Studio 3. In the case of a photo like this one, you may want to keep the subject light, while keeping its shadows dark, and at the same time darken the background even more. Studio 3 does exactly this, and with the combination of some other features, like darken background, you can get the perfect image in few seconds. In this example, I'd like to show you how the three different studio features are very different one from each other. I want you to focus on the different details areas each studio features focuses on. Some are able to enhance the details of the hair and add more depth to the face of the model. Some give more light to the expression of the model and enhance the texture of the shirt. Some are more delicate and focus on the simplest, yet effective, monochrome looks. At a first glance, they may seem very similar, but if you look closer, you start to see all the important and radical differences among these three studio features. If you also add, for example, the softy feature, this is where things start to be even more interesting. Notice how creative is the whole process. It feels like we are not editing at all. We are exploring our own vision and bringing the final image to life. Imagine what you can do combining all the other features in this creative workflow. And now we are happy to introduce our Parisian look. We love Paris, and this is our tribute to it. Apply the Paris feature in combination with the fading look, and you can get instantly that romantic feeling we all love. And as final touch for this very first release of Muse Pro 3, we will give a nice punch to this image. This is our model Rosa, and we will enhance her presence with the Presence feature. Also, this one can be combined with fading and with the amazing Boost Details feature everyone loves. We can add a mask to the details layer and reveal only the details we want. Look at the details and how the tones start to shape in front of your eyes. This is not a simple black and white plugin. This is your creative muse, a new way of thinking about photo editing, even if digital, much more closer to what the darkroom creative process used to be. I'm sure you have enjoyed this quick demo of Muse Pro 3 plugin. I will leave the link in the description so you can try for yourself.